What are you doing?
Is this the wrong one?
That's one of Iris's.
The purple? Wait, I have purple.
Purple, orange, and teal. They're all over the yard. You guys each have 25 eggs, guys.
So this is one of the colors?
Cora's having more fun pulling the grass out of the basket or bucket. That's yours. Where did Max go? Around the corner? Cora. There's Max. Cora, come here. We're not going out in the street. Stay this way. Pick up your eggs. There's one. Come put it in your bucket. Come on. Uh-oh. It has a leaf on it. Yes, thank you. Uh-oh. Here. Put your egg in your bucket. Put it in there.
Max, I found one of your eggs.
Uh-oh. This one came open. Oh, okay, leaves work. Leaves are good. Uh-oh.
I'm 18 and I can't find any other.
Oh my gosh. Cora's stepping on all the eggs.
Max, I found the blue one over there. Somewhere.
No, Cora, don't go in there. No, that's dirty. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go this way. Come on, let's go this way. Come on.
What? That's teal. That's not blue. It's blue. Mom, there are no more of mine.
You have 25 eggs. Come on.
So you're saying that this?
That's teal.
That would be great.
And this? They're not blue?
Is it on?
Yeah. Step on that one. Just pulled out the...
Mommy, is this teal? Is this teal?
Yes.
Yes, that's teal.
I have not seen. There are ants going on mine.
Here, look. Look right here.
Max, are you sure you're on the right track?
Just if you got too much stuff in there. Cora.
I need 4 more.
Did you guys get the big ones?
I did. She didn't get her.
Okay. Don't show her.
I don't know. I'm getting mine.
No, you're going to be.
Good one.
Pick up your eggs. Come pick it up and put
Up.
it in your bucket. All right, here.
See,
Put it in your
2 of Iris's.
Put it in there. Cora.
Thank you.
2 more.
Thank you. Let's put that back, okay? Come on, get your eggs. Thank you.
Silly girl. You're so silly.
I think I only need 1 more now.
Iris, I don't think there are any over there.
They're all in her.
Come here. Cora.
Uh-oh.
Red.
What's that right next to Cora? I don't know. I feel like I'm just... So, there it is! Good one. God, I'm so tired I could take a seat, you know? I could just find a good place to sit down and relax.
You had the last one really hard on purpose.
Alright, come here.
Nice!
I need 1 more, I think.
Here.
Let me see if I can go around and find any others. Let's see.
I found 3 or 4.
I found one of Max's. Found another more of Iris's.
Where is
You're in the area. Max, if I were you, I'd turn around. You guys need to learn to look. Let's see, I found 3 more Maxes. Found some irises. Found another one of irises. Found another one of irises. Still one more of Max's. Oh, hey, what do you know? Right in front of you.
Alright, that's it.
Oh, nice, Iris. Nice. 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 Max, you said you got all of yours?
I'm checking right now. Come on, Daddy. Don't touch that.
Yucky. Yeah, count them up, guys, but that might be all of them. Well, I know Iris has at least 2 more that I saw.
I have 26 eggs.
3. That's right, you should have 26, plus a big one.
Oh, I thought it was 24 plus the big one.
Nice. Good one, Iris. Good job. Oh, look at that one on the windowsill. Alright, so those are Cora's down there in the ground. Let me see if I can find any others. Good.
Cora's just enjoying being outside.
Alright, I think that's it for Max and Iris.
Wait, does she have pink?
Who has pink?
Oh no, Cora has pink.
Thank you.
I see some Twizzlers on the ground here. Awesome. Awesome. Hey Max, pick up this piece of trash, please. If it fell off your egg, pick it up. We're better than that. No excuses, pick it up.
This way.
Awesome. Woo! Pick it up. Quickly before Cora gets into all your stuff.
Just pull the grass out of the bucket.
Thank you, Iris.
Thank you.
She's got something. I think she has poo or something on the bottom of her shoes.
Leaves. That's not yours. Dude, that's not yours.
Max,
Hey, that's not yours.
yellow, yellow, yellow.
You want to put it in your basket? Put it in.
I don't think she's gonna pick up
No,
the rest of hers.
I can't get her to pick up any of them.
Yeah. All right. So we do this the old-fashioned way.
Alright, come here.
Max.
Why don't you hold it by the handle?
Oh, it's okay. Let him keep dropping it, and he'll have to keep picking it back up. And Iris, just don't help him next time. Let him learn from his mistake.
Right,
And if he
don't
wants to
sit
work
down.
harder instead of working smarter, let him do that.
We're all stand together. And I don't know. I want to get a picture of everybody with their back.
I'll sit this down.
Babe, do you see any others? Yeah, I think that's it. All right.
All right.
I think if that's it. Camera's going off. I see no more.
Dora. Dora. Can I get one?
Nah. Nah. Nah.
Oh my goodness.
All right.